So what happened exactly? Whenever you are taking to the color from this bucket, okay, whenever you're taking to the color in this bucket, if you throw that, then what happened? We can able to see to the full color is spread in that particular wall or particular flower, right? Same as it is over here, fill color, or we can say to the bucket are useful for this reason purpose. Let me show you how we can able to do. Let me do undo, undo, undo. Okay, now I'm taking, we have to the shapes are available over here. Okay, I'm taking to the shape. Okay, let me put it over here, one shape. Okay, let me put to the another shape. Let me put to the another third shape. Now see, I'm choosing over here the fill color. Okay, let me choose to the fill color. Now see the bucket icon is came. Okay, now means your cursor are changing with the bucket. Now simply over here we have, okay, I'm checking to the different color. Okay, over here I'm choosing right now yellow color. Now let me go over here and click inside. You can see color is changed. Again, I'm going to the over here blue color taking, and I'm going inside of your box, and you can see over here blue color is present. Simply that stuff you can choose to the another color and another color also inside of your um, box you can able to see. Okay, now after later I want to do undo, 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 undo again back. Okay, now again over here, many times you are saying, sir, if suppose I'm taking pencil and I want to write something. Okay, let me choose to the black color over here, and I want to write my name. Okay, see Rohit, you can say it's not look good, isn't it? So what you want to do? Simply, I want to do undo, undo, and I can go to the inside of your text. Okay, this is the text I have. I can select over here. Right now, I want to be right inside of my name. Okay, Rohit Kadam. Okay. Now, when you return this name, you can select that and you can go to the over here option. Font means you can change to the font also for your text. Suppose I want to be check this one. Okay. Or maybe something like this. Okay. I changed my font style. After later, if you want to be increase the size of your text, you can able to increase also. After, if you want bold, italic, okay, so you can do that also. Underline, you want to be a left hand side, middle, right hand side, you can able to do that. You can see this is exactly look good. We do not need to worry about that. We can directly go to the text option and we can able to write text which one you want. After later, we have to the erase option. Erase means what? It's like a eraser. We can take eraser, sir, but your eraser is too small. So we can go over here, we can increase the size and you can able to erase that, right? Is that much of a easy? Now after later, we have to the over here color picker option. What is exactly this color picker? Okay, color picker means what? Simply you are guys going to pick a color. Okay, pick means what? I want to take the color. So this option when is useful? Okay, suppose I'm going to be a check over here different rectangle. Okay, not it's a rectangle. Yes. Okay, now over here, over here, over here. Okay, and I'm making to the another big rectangle to the down. Now simple stuff over here, what I'm doing, okay, I'm going to be a take a bucket, okay, and I want to fill the different color, black color, this another color, another color, another color, and another color. Now thing is what? I don't have the time to the go inside of the color and I want to choose the color, because if you are doing to the big painting, we don't have the time to the go inside of and check which color we are using. Rather than we can use to the color picker. Okay, see I selected color picker. Right now what is color I have over here? Yellow, right? Suppose I want to use to the black color and I don't want to go to the over here. Just I'm checking to the my color picker. See it's already selected and I can go over here selecting. You can see right now in the top the color is black. Okay, and I can directly fulfill that color inside of my where I want to be a fill. Okay, so that is exactly the quicker option we have. After later we have to the zoom option. If you can use this and if you can click, you can see we can able to zoom in. Okay, now after later we have to the over here brushes are available different. Okay, let me do to the undo, 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 undo. Okay, now over here we have the brush are available. Okay, see though over here we brushes are available. You can change to the color for your brush also. You can increase the size of your brush also. Okay, let me show you. Suppose this is I have to the brush. Which one? This is I have to the brush. After later I have to the another brush. See everything is different. See After letter, I'm going to the over here. I have to the pen over here. See, its pen is something different. After letter, I have to the over here air spray. See, let me increase the size. See, air spray is different. Right after letter, I'm going to be choose another oil brush. See, this is oil brush is different. Right after letter, I'm going to the down. There are crayons are there. Let me increase to the size. See, the crayons are different. So every purpose a different stuff we have. Okay, after marker also there. See, marker is different. After letter, if you can see, and even that whenever we are choosing to the different colors and everything, colors not when we are choosing to the brushes, that brushes we can change to the color also. See, right now I change it. Okay, so that stuff also you can able to do. Now, after when we done that, we have to the shapes are available present. Let me do to the undo. Okay. Now let me check to the recording. Okay, it's going on properly. Now see over here after letter we have to the shapes are available like different shapes. If you want to, let me choose to the color black first. Okay, suppose I want over here line. You can be able to make line. You want to be a circle. You want to be a rectangle. You want to be a this one. Okay, you want to be another one also. Okay, so it's made it like this way. Okay, so if you want to be a like this way, we can able to this one also. This is called to be a polygon, right? Now, after you want to be a triangle, so you can make to the triangle also. So there are a lot of different shapes are available. Okay, and in that shape you can fill to the color also. See, I'm filling to the color. I want to be this one is this color. Okay, so we can able to fill that color also inside that. Right now, in this shape, in these particular shapes, only the one shape is different. That is called curve one. Curve one is totally different. Let me show you how exactly is work. Okay, simple. I'm choosing right now curve shape. Okay, I want to make draw. Okay, I think so color is different. Let me do to the undo. Okay, this is over here. I shape one line I draw. When you completing this line, after letter go in the middle and stretch that. Are you getting? That is called to the curve shape. How we can do? Simply let me show you again back. Undo. I am selecting over here curve shape. Okay, you can see over here. I am making to the line properly. Now after letter stretch to the middle, upside if you want, you can stretch to the upside. If you want to be a downside, you can stretch to the downside also. Okay, so that is called curve shape. Now I want to be a suggest that when you are stretching to the your curve shape after letter, please don't click outside. You can see when you're clicking, it is making to the change, right? So what we need to do, we need to be a select curve shape after draw it, after over here stretch it, okay, and then choose to the another kind of option, and then again come back to the curve. Then you can make to the another one, and you can again to the stretch. So that is exactly I want to say. Now let me do undo. Now after letter over here we have to the colors are available. Okay, so that is exactly your full paint I teached over here to you. That. Sir, can you just show to the different drawing how we can make that? Okay, let me show you to a simple drawing over here. Which one I want to make a Mickey Mouse. Okay, see over here. First, I want to make to the head. So what I can do, I can use over here. This is your oval shape, means your circle I took. Now let me make that. Okay, so this is exactly the circle I'm making. After letter, let me make to the ear. Okay, ear one. And I want to match this ear with this. So I'm making after, okay, I did the mistake. Let me do to the undo. Okay, I'm going over here again back. Let me stretch properly and let me make to the proper size with my left hand side ear. Okay, so I took right now I can went to the over here. Okay, little bit in the up. Okay, perfect. Now it's done. Ear is done. Ear is done. Now I want to make inside of also the circle. Proper. Now I want to make another one also. I want to take with the same size. Okay, now let me take to the over here. Done. Now I want to make inside or inside some things. Okay, now you can able to zoom also. So we can able to make properly of the shape. Okay, so let me start from over here. Okay, let me start from over here. Done. Now after letter, I want to take to the curve shape. I want curve shape from over here. Let me stretch this little bit like this. A, there is a mistake. Undo.